Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add ebooks on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my Shopify dashboard, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. You're going to find the home section, orders, products, you're going to find customers, content, analytics, and lastly, marketing and discounts. Here under sales channels, you're going to find online store and also point of sale. And lastly, here under apps, you're going to find your applications. So right now, what you need to do, guys, in order to add ebooks, go ahead and click on products. Once you do that, here under products, you're going to find collections, inventory, purchase orders, transfers, and gift cards. So go ahead and click on products. And then once you click on products right here, you're going to find this list that includes all of the products that you have. So right now, just go to the top right. Here you can export, import products. Here you're going to find some more actions. Right here, you're going to find the option to add a product. So go ahead and click on add product. After that, you're going to be right here. First of all, add the title for your product, basically your product name. Here, add a description for your product. You can use AI to add the description if you want. Then here, you're going to find media. Go ahead and upload your product. Just click on upload new and then go ahead and search for your ebook. Upload this right here. And then here in category, go ahead and search for ebook. Once you find it, go ahead and click on ebooks. And then once you do that right here, add the price and all of the other details. And once you finish, make sure you click on save to save your product. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.